So why are we doing this again, Jacob?
Because roofs are meant to have holes in them.
Yeah, fine.
Sorry, come on, go there.
And so that f***ing possum can stop harassing us.
Yep. Bit too muscly there. Right, what you just wanted to show me?
Our handiwork. Very demure. This is gonna come out in like months, and that's gonna be like so beaten to death.
Who's this f***ing guy? Who's that guy? Jeez. What's Jacob doing?
Reckon spitting in his hand.
Why?
I don't know. Trying to work out if his future has a pool in it.
Whoa. I didn't see you were there. Oh. You're making me nervous.
How's your day been today, Jacob?
Um,
Talk to us.
Yeah, my day's been alright. How's yours?
It's okay.
Been out here in the lovely weather all day long.
Are you proud of me? That? No, I wasn't talking to you. You gave me a look.
Ooh.
Shane was sassing you behind your back.
He was, that's
Yeah.
sassing me.
Yeah.
Oi! What? You got something to say?
What do you mean?
You got something to say to me?
Oh, I got lots to say. What do you want to hear?
Whatever you were saying behind my back.
Yeah, cool. You fell for that quick. Jesus. Never get in a long-term relationship, Jack off.
What are you doing? Tell the camera what you're doing.
Hey?
Tell the camera what you're doing.
Just admitting that this isn't going to work to myself.
Fair enough.
Inside my own head going, this ain't going to work. Anyway, that's what happens. Isn't it?
Yep.
Into nothing. Into nothing. Into fucking nothing.
Should we just put those ram set plugs that expand when they get drill in?
Your watch is going to hit me in the head. Hey? The ram set plugs?
Yeah, the ones that when you drill them in, they expand.
Yep, maybe. Because she's ain't working for shit. I would say that would be what we're doing.
Remember the first patch job I did on this for the Melbourne bitter carton?
Oh yeah, that was a good one.
That was into something. Throw that line across.
Hey?
Throw that same line across.
Well, I would say that the ones we want are running that way.
Yeah.
So we probably should have went out a bit further.
Right.
See, all good.
What's wrong, champ?
Must have quit.
What's wrong, buddy?
Unfit. He gave us this fancy
Oh no, Rich actually said when I was on the phone to him
Yeah.
that he's like, oh, I think Shane thinks I'm giving it to him, but no, it's actually mine. I'm just lending it to him.
Yeah, I know. You can have it back. There's no fit.
Well, what are you gonna do then?
Right.
Behind prison bars.
Why don't I don't say because I'm on camera because it might be a bit dumb thing to say.
No, go on.
So I'm assuming the problem is the thing to get in there to make the drill is too. Please. It's too. I just need back from a bit. I haven't done my eyebrows or anything.
That's right. I'll go back here.
Yeah, thank
I'll
you.
turn the focus off.
Filter or something.
Yeah, I'll make it blurry.
Thank you. No, I know what to do. Just get a screwdriver, Shane, and the thing, and go like that. But did that one work that I told you how to do it?
Huh?
I can see that it's worked.
I use my hand, Leah.
Yeah,
That's exactly what Leanne said to do. That's not how you use a screwdriver, Shane.
Jacob, what year were you born in?
Don't say it.
Was it the 2000s? Were you born in 2000 something?
Yeah.
Ruby, what year were you born?
No,
Don't you say it either.
were you born in the 2000s? Oh.
2003.
Oh, 2003. Oh, I'm older than you?
Yeah, you're older than
What year are
Sick.
you?
Sick.
I don't know.
You're in the 2000s?
I don't know.
Holy sh**.
You don't need to use that loose.
Sick.
Whatever you want. Whatever makes you comfortable.
Well, make what's I'm doing it.
Yep.
Let me see the shelf.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Jacob, let me see the shelf.
Poor JD.
Wow.
What?
Look at that.
Very sick.
Yeah.
The bottom one.
That's what I'm looking at. Jack's leaning more forward than fucking.
Wait.
Then what, Shane?
Then what is it leaning more forward then?
Leaning more forward than the Australian government. Oh, no.
Oh.
They're not leaning.
Not on the level we fucking
No, it's not on the
ding
level.
that.
Think back.
That was good. That's YouTube safe.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 1 degree off, mate.
It's more than 1 degree off.
Oh, your phone doesn't lie to you.
Hey?
That's fucking level, mate.
Yeah.
My back always.
I've got your back. Don't worry.
Always?
Don't worry.
No, yeah, that's right. Not f***ing always.
So I dig in the shade enough on camera that it evens out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty sure everything we filmed last Monday just been harassing Shane.
Not good either. Not good harassment.
Oh,
Jacob, don't harass my boyfriend.
Important.
Against me.
Oh, that's alright, Leanne, I'll stop with you. I won't smoke.
Oh, there we go. Now film it. Turn it on and off. Oh.
I've already clocked off, mate.
Right. Show us what we're doing. Oh, glorious. Your thoughts?
I love it.
Your thoughts?
It's lit.
So there you go. Look, they're old prison bars. Collingwood staple. Do not f***ing grab a hold of
Touch
that.
it.
Can you touch that? Do you
Don't.
want to be able to reach it?
No, no one, no. We.
Don't touch it.
Touched it. You barely reached this one. You barely reached this.
Anyway, there we go. We have some. Just stop. We've got some light in the. We've got that kind of done.
Look lively, upbeat. 1, 2, 3, action, go.
Close to me. What am I doing?
Big smile. Come on, let's go.
Aww. This episode of Dance Mom.
I'm Abby Lee Miller.
Dance moms, yeah.
Yeah.
100%. Like the kids. She made me. You used to watch me make that. What?
What was that? Say
Used to
some
make me
words.
watch that. And they push the kids over.
She didn't push the kids over.
I'm that
Well, she
kid.
gives him a little bit of a slap.
Yeah.
She gets
She was just teaching them.
That's you.
slap her around.
You're one of the bad parents in that show.
Christy,
Don't-
Chloe's mum.
Don't know.
No,
No,
there are good parents in that show, I'd say. Who is, I forgot their names. It's been a while.
Let's just do a quick. I just want to say to everybody while we're talking about dance moms. Recently, a few weeks ago, we were sitting at home and Shane put on Dance Moms Reunion and watched the whole show. And like, what are you doing?
Yeah? Did you like it?
I liked it.
Yeah. Well, truth comes out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was good because they're all happy, well-adjusted kids except for the f***ed up ones. And I related to the f***ed up ones because I was like, yeah, you're f***ed up. I know
Jojo
why. I know.
Siwa.
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
what it's
She's interesting.
She's going through it right now.
I want to know why she wears high-vis outfits all the time.
She wants to be seen.
Yeah. Well, because
Well-
Abby Lee slapped her around a little bit.
Her and Abby Lee are apparently like besties though.
Trauma bond.
So that's us.
That's you and me, Shane.
Welcome to Better Totes and Gardens. Right.
Okay.
That's great footage, all of that.
Yeah. We ripped everything out of the bar because we were like,
The hallway.
yeah, like, we found some good things. Ruby found a walking stick.
It's a good umbrella as well.
A good umbrella. And a crowbar.
That's a good crowbar.
And we found some,
You never know.
You never know.
oh look.
Well, that crowbar would have lived in that crowbar shelf
Maybe, yeah.
that we put the shelves in
But we
yesterday.
can't close the door.
Oh, true.
That would have
We've
been-
got to fix that.
Yeah,
But we found we found some hairspray from 1997 when punk was good in Melbourne. Then we got, because they're always looking for pens. So Ruby bought a unicorn and put pens in it.
Cute.
Yeah.
Now there's no excuse for pens to disappear in this venue.
Because then the unicorn will be upset with you.
Yeah. And clean up out there so we can put stuff we never use up there. Get a vacuum it. This baby here
Yeah.
takes a lot of shit. I mean, like,
So this stuff.
yeah.
What's all this?
I don't know.
What does that sign
Remember
say?
these things?
Socially distance.
That was a fun time.
Look,
Thanks.
it wasn't bad. I wouldn't mind a Snap 5-day.
Thanks, NGOs.
Just a Snap 5-day lockdown.
This has not completely ruined my fucking mental state for the rest of my life. All this shit.
Cry me a river, walk it off.
Well, it's not smart, but it's
Am I being encouraging?
We've got a real first aid kit. I winged it and it worked.
That's really good.
It's a real one.
I know it's a real one.
But you'll be able to see it right high. And the people are going to bang their fingers on it.
What's that key in there for? In the
Well-
first aid kit?
I'm thinking that you can probably lock it, but I don't think we're going to lock it.
You don't really want to lock a first aid kit, do you? When you're in a rush.
Don't hurt yourself at the tote. We can't afford the f***ing insurance increases. Please, stop. That one's for the government. That one's for the state government. That's one for the federal government. Local government, you're already f***ed anyway. So it doesn't matter.
You tell them, Shane.
Yeah.
Great way to make
Don't
friends.
Hurt yourself. Hurt yourself at,
Costco slipping on PP.
yeah.
Slip on the PP
Lucky.
at Costco like Lucky.
Oh.
Okay.
This is a
Big call.
character I play. Slightly goofy.
No, this isn't a character.
Hey?
You're not playing a character. This is you. I live with you. I know what you're like.
Comment if you live with Shane.
Comment if you would like to trade places and live with Shane.
Everyone does. I'm a f***ing saint.
No. We'll go give him a week.
That's my
It's
fault.
really cute. Is there two?
No, I don't need two. I just need one to be cool. Well, there is two.
I think you should wear both. These are treasures that you find at the pub.
There you go. Oh, look good.
You do. You look great. What are these boots made for, Shane?
Don't f***ing say it, man. If you're a
Shane,
fuck off, get out.
Shane's got a rule that if anyone ever plays that song,
Fine.
they're fired.
Oh, well, I know that now.
No DJs.
Oh, DJ's cool.
But
Just
they
reckon it's a weak
they always play it
Yeah.
just to.
Weak
time trope. It's, no, they go, oh, why do you like that song? Well, I like that song. I just don't like the fucking...
So DJs aren't allowed to play the song.
No. Think about it.
Amen.
There's billions of songs out there in the world. You don't have to fucking...
But it's a banger, and people like hearing bangers late at
It
night.
is a banger.
God.
Oh, Red goes first.
He just
doesn't it?
tries to throw you off, Ruby, with his confidence, but really he doesn't have any. He's trying to trick you.
Well, I guess.
Might as well.
If I get any comments about my Connect 4 skills, I'm gonna lose it. Like,
No. Sorry, I'm not interfering, but don't put it there.
no.
Don't want Shane to win.
No one wants
I want you to have some glory in
The
life,
internet
but
is a, well, this has been a nice viewed video because no one wants me to win. Ooh. Yeah, I'll bug it up there. Oh!
yes, Ruby.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I didn't believe in myself, but
She won.
I won.
There you go.
Yeah.
Here's what you get a bit.
What does that teach you, Shane?
Hey,
What does that teach you a lesson in life?
nothing, I don't learn lessons. It's stupid.